Um, I have a game pickup and one unboxing. This is used. The new one's for $30, but this one was I wanted it. Okay, this is Gears of War 2. They were missing one disc of like the extras, but here comes with the booklet, game pickup, and Gears of War 2. Alright, so that's that, and the unboxing. 12-month Xbox Live card. This is the best value for $50. So let me get some scissors. Okay, so here it is. For online playing. The Microsoft points is for buying stuff, like downloading things online. Not online, but downloading things on your Xbox for just clothes and everything with Microsoft points, which isn't that good, but it's worth it if you want downloads and clothes of things. So let me just cut that, which is really hard to cut. Sorry for the background. Someone just doing something, but so here it is. Cut it open. Here. It's really hard. Okay. Alright, let me just cut this down. I'm supposed to cut down the edges on both sides. This is for 1 year, as I said. 12 months, 1 year, same thing. And then what you do is you redeem the code on Xbox. There you go. So that's gone. Here's the back. Join the fun and everything. Take it out. And pull out the card. So 12-month Xbox Live card. Got it at GameStop if you want to know. I don't know what this thing is, but here is pulled out code. So yes, that's it. Goodbye.